Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my podcast. My name is Anya, and today I am going to talk about a productive day in my life. In this episode, I will share my daily routine, my habits, and the small actions that help me stay focused and positive. This podcast is perfect if you are learning English or if you want motivation to make your day more productive. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. My productive day starts early in the morning. I usually wake up around 5:30 or 6 a.m. Waking up early gives me quiet time, and my mind feels fresh. The first thing I do after waking up is avoid my phone. I do not check social media or messages immediately. Instead, I drink a glass of warm water. This helps my body wake up and feel active. After that, I spend 5 minutes being thankful. I think about 3 things I am grateful for: my health, my family, and a new day. This small habit makes my mood positive. Next, I do light exercise or stretching. Sometimes I do yoga, sometimes a short walk, or simple stretching at home. It is not heavy exercise, but it makes my body energetic. Then I get ready and have a simple and healthy breakfast. Usually, I eat fruits, nuts, eggs, or something light but nutritious. A good breakfast helps me stay focused for many hours. By the time my morning routine ends, I already feel proud of myself. I know that I have used my morning in a meaningful way. After breakfast, I take 10 minutes to plan my day. Planning is very important for productivity. I take a notebook and write down my top 3 important tasks, small tasks I need to complete, one personal goal for the day. I do not make a very long list. After my morning routine, I sit quietly and plan my day. I write down my important tasks in a notebook. I believe that writing goals makes them clearer and easier to achieve. Then I study or work on my main priority. Morning time is the best for focus because the mind is fresh and calm. Avoid distractions and give my full attention to my work. After that, I have a healthy breakfast. A good breakfast gives energy and keeps me active for the whole day. In the afternoon, I continue my work or studies. I take short breaks in between so that I don't feel tired. During breaks, I drink water or just relax my eyes. Sometimes, I learn something new, like improving my skills, watching educational videos, or practicing communication. I try to stay positive, even if things don't go as planned. Productivity doesn't mean being perfect. It means doing your best every day. In the evening, I take some time for myself. I go for a short walk or do light exercise. Fresh air helps refresh my mind. I also spend time doing things I enjoy, like listening to music, journaling, or talking to family. This balance is very important for mental peace. At night, I finish my dinner early and avoid heavy food. Before sleeping, I reflect on my day. I ask myself, what did I do well today? At night, I finish my dinner early and avoid heavy food. Before sleeping, I reflect on my day. I ask myself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? I stay away from my phone before sleeping and try to sleep with a calm mind. A good sleep is the secret of a productive next day. So, this was a productive day in my life. Productivity is not about doing many things. It's about doing meaningful things with focus and discipline. If you liked this podcast, don't forget to share it and support me. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay positive and keep growing.